Hey everyone, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we will see a hover effect which is very simple but yet a very cool effect. So as you can see, as I hover over it, it has a shining effect. So it is a very simple effect. You can do it with the help of CSS only, and we will see how you can make this effect. You don't need any JavaScript for this, and it is a very simple yet cool effect. It will increase the user experience by a lot. If a user will hover over it, it will just give a little better experience. So you can add it to your portfolio or any other app. And as you can see, it is not going back when I am leaving the mouse as well. So it is a one-time effect. So yeah, so let's head over to the VS Code and see how it is done. Alright guys, so I am on my VS Code, and first of all we will need a boilerplate for HTML. So let's write it down over here. After the boilerplate, let's add the HTML tag. So I will just write an h2 tag, and inside this I will write a hello. That's it. That's all the HTML we want, and we don't need any JavaScript part. So all the thing left is to style it and add some CSS. The first thing I will do, and which is mandatory in all the apps, which is to set the margin and padding of all the elements to 0. Alright. After that, I will change some styling of the h2 tag. Here, what I will do, first of all, I will change the margin. The margin, I will set it to, let's say, 100 pixel 0, 100 pixel 0. Um, let's write 0 over here and move 0 over here. So yeah, I think, and let's click on this go live button so we can see our website. So this is our hello button, and let me just zoom a little bit. So now let's write some more code over here. Now I will write the width and set it to fit content. After that, let's just give the cursor pointer so it has a pointer effect when I hover over it. Cool. After that, to add a shining effect, we need an element, and we will color it white so that it when we hover over it, we can move the element from left to right, and we will add that element with the help of pseudo elements. All right. So I will add a pseudo element called after. You can also do this with the help of before pseudo element. And here, after adding a pseudo element, first of all, you have to give the content to it. I will give a content of empty. Then I will give a display of block. All right. Then I will write the margin left, and give it a value of minus 30 pixels. Oops. All right. And also a margin top, and I will give this value of minus 40 pixels. And let me just add a background color as well of a red. So if you will see what it will look like. You cannot see it right now. I think I also have to write width and height also. So I will write a width of 10 pixel and height of 10 pixel as well. So let's save it. And yep, as you can see, this is our pseudo element, and we will use this element to move from left to right in order to create that lovely shining effect. All right. So here, what I will do, I will increase this height by 40 pixel to match the height of our this text over here, and I will rotate this. So I will write transform rotate, and I will rotate it minus 20 degrees. So it will rotate like a slant, and so it will just move from left to right, and it will give a pretty cool shining effect. All right, and we will change the color later on. So we will leave it like that only, and come down over here, and now I will write just a basic animation for our hover effect. I will write h2 hover, and on hover I want to change the after email. So you can write like this, okay? And I will write it over here animation. So I will write animation, and let's say give it a name of our animation. So let's say shining effect. All right. So this is the name of our animation. You can give it anything you want, and then I want the duration. So let's write a duration of 0.4 seconds. Then I want it linear, and then I want it to happen only one time. Okay, only one time when someone will hover over it. All right, cool. Let's come down and write our keyframes. Here I will change the name to shining effect, whatever you will give it right here. And here from 0% to 100%, we have to write something, okay? And in 0%, if the animation has just started, what I will write? I will write margin left. So here, margin left will be minus 30 pixels. What it means, it will start from minus 30 pixels as I have mentioned over here also, and it will go to, let's say, copy it down, and let's say 90 pixels. All right. So this is the whole code you have to write. Let's format it and save it, and let's see if it works or not. So yeah, so as you can see, this is our shining effect almost ready. Now we have to do one more thing. So let's change the color of our this pseudo element over here. So I will change the color to, let's say, white, and I will decrease the transparency over here. You can see there is a transparency slider over here. So let's say 0.8. All right, let's see, and you can see a pretty cool shining effect, but we are not done yet. We will add one more large thing, which is text shadow, and it will make it even better. Sorry, not text shadow, but box shadow. So I will write here box shadow in the pseudo element over here. I will write 0 pixel, 0 pixel, then I will write 20 pixel, and then again 20 pixel, and then we have to give the um, color. So I will write over here white. So let's see what it looks like. So as you can see, it is not looking like great. So now what I will do is just comment out this background color. We don't need background color anymore because it will be perfect with the help of this box shadow as well. And now what I will do, I will just decrease the width to 0 pixel because we only want this box shadow to play over here, not any pseudo element right here. Okay. And now in order to you can see it looks pretty good, but we can make it even better. So what I will do, I will just decrease the brightness or the transparency, let's say 0.8. All right. So yeah, just like that. And I think let's save it, and I think we are done. So yeah, so as you can see, now it is looking pretty cool, and I think you know how you can get this pretty cool shining effect on your website or any app you want to build. So yeah, so that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn how to make this shining effect. So yeah, that's it for the video, guys. If you know and if you want any more videos and if you have any more ideas, let me know in the comments down below. So that's it for the video, guys. I will see you in the next one.